We've previously mentioned that it is absolutely necessary that you maintain proper organization of the media library. Your media items should definitely be separated and grouped up into different folders and subfolders. An intuitive approach is to look at your content arrangement and use the same structure when organizing your assets. Since we have articles and authors as our templates, we've naturally created authors and articles media folders. First, let's switch media library into list view. Every asset has its own related information, and to read that information, we just have to select it. We can see that asset properties are divided across two tabs. General tab shows the actual media item linked to the asset name, description, tags, as well as translation and versioning sections that are common to all content and media items. All properties on the General tab are editable. Media Library greatly simplifies bulk operations on multiple assets. You can always select multiple assets in a folder and then move or delete the whole selection. At some point, you might find yourself navigating through a large library of assets, and to prepare for that, you will need to know how the specialized media library search works. Search keyword that we type in will consider asset name and description, but notice that we can also filter on the asset type. By expanding the filter icon, we can narrow down our search by specifying tags we are looking for. Another very important thing to mention is that only the selected folder and its related structure will be considered when searching. This means that if you want to search the whole media library, you need to select the root folder before initiating search.